Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1070 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose powder highlighter that I got in the shade Gold Digger in my December 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. And I'm really excited about this. I was just looking it up on the Ipsy website. It is really high rated, and I feel like I can really trust the Ipsy ratings. I mean, I rate on Ipsy too. That's how you can get some points on the apps, but it has so many ratings and it's almost 5 stars. This does have a retail value of $27, which is on the pricier end in my opinion. I really don't use any loose powder highlighters. All of the highlighters that I use are the pressed powders for the most part, or a liquid highlighter. So this is a little different for me, but I'm really excited. It's supposed to be very versatile. I have Dexter on my lap. I think he might be out of the camera view. He doesn't usually sit on my lap when I film anymore, but today he decided to, and of all days, it's when I have a messy loose powder, so I really need to be careful not to dump any powder onto Dexter's black fur. So it doesn't look like the sifter comes completely off, but this is a really cool design. It has this separate piece because the opening is only in half of it here. You can completely seal it other than just the cap here by just twisting it closed. I feel like I haven't seen that in other powders, but that's a really good idea. So I'm just going to start out by tapping some off into the lid here. And the instructions say to use your finger to apply it, and that's what I would have done anyways. That would be my preferred method. But so first things first, before I even apply it to my face, I want to go ahead and do a swatch. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Just so sparkly, shimmery, but very finely milled. And I'm seeing that it blends out really nicely too, because it says that you could use it as a body highlight. And look, you can see on my hand, it just adds this really pretty glow, a reflection, which I think would be super enhancing on the body. I love that. Oh, I can't wait until I can do body highlights again. Now it's so cold. I'm in basically this all the time. I'm not showing any skin to put highlighter on, but I have so many great body highlighters. I'm just so ready for the warm weather already. But so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit on my finger, and I'm not picking up too much. I'm gonna try and go in with a light layer to start, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto the cheekbone. And it's just such a beautiful, finely milled texture that it just kind of like disappears on the skin. So that's just one thin layer, and that does add nice subtle glow, but I need to build this up. Cause like, look when you first apply it, like that is intense. That's so pretty. And it almost seems to get more gold as I blend it out. Like when you first apply it, it looks a little bit more white silver, but then blended out, it looks like a true gold. That's very unique. Gold Digger is what it's called. But seriously, this is beautiful. Such a gorgeous, glowing, radiant highlighter. I just feel like radiant is the word to describe it. It does look very smooth on the skin. Wow. I mean, it's already super like glowing, but I just really want to add even more. Seriously though, like it is so buildable. You can get such blinding highlight. But I really like that. I think that looks so pretty on the skin. Oh, that's so enhancing. Go ahead and I think I might have used a lot on this cheek. I mean, I like it, but it blends out so easily that even going in with so much, you can just blend it. It's definitely gold, and I'm personally more drawn to lighter, more like rose gold, champagne, even silvery highlights more for my skin tone. So that's my only thing, is like I don't feel like it's the best highlighter shade for me, but it is such a beautiful highlight. But maybe it would work for me in other uses. So it says you can also use this as an eyeshadow, so I really want to see how this looks on the eyelid. Like if I had maybe some glitter glue down, could really make it intense. But also, it blends out for a pretty, shimmery, all over the lid shade. I like that. This shows up on the eyelid more than I expected. Like that can definitely be an eyeshadow. I feel like I do need more shades to go with this eye look. Like I need a little bit more dark shade in the crease and in the corner. Like this doesn't look like a complete eye look for me, but it's pretty. And if you have any fallout onto your cheeks, just blend it in like highlighter. And then a really great idea that they said is that you could use it as a lip topper. And I am so excited to try that. I just have on like a light pink, kind of neutral, nude lip gloss right now. But let's amp up the lip gloss with some sparkle. I'm gonna try and not take too much. Oh my gosh. It kind of like mattifies the gloss. And it adds the sparkle, okay. And that's a little too much, a little too light for me. I think that washed me out. Maybe I should have just focused it on the center of the lips. But that's a really fun technique. It doesn't even feel like anything on the lips. Like it sticks really well to that lip gloss. But now my finished look is very monochromatic. I look a little crazy right now, but I just couldn't help myself. I just had to apply this everywhere. It's so fun and easy to apply, and I love the sparkle. I love the glow. It's not even really creasing on my eyelids either. Like I have a little bit of creasing right here, but no creasing on this eye. Not really sure why only one of my eyes is creasing, but it's a really fun highlighter. Definitely gives radiance to wherever you apply it. I'm really excited to use it on the body because that's where I feel like I can pull off gold highlight the best. But I just had so much fun trying out this highlighter. So I definitely want to know your thoughts on this. If you've tried out the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I think when I first saw this, I thought it was going to be able to be like a setting powder with a little bit of glow to it, but it's actually a much more intense highlight, and I love an intense shimmering highlighter, and this really does that. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.